In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR code in Affinity Photo. If you're using version 2.5 or later, you've got a dedicated QR code tool that makes this quick and reliable. Start by opening the document where you want the code to live, whether that's a photo, a layout, or a blank canvas. Position your view so you can clearly see the area where the code should go. Next, head to the Tools panel. Click the Shapes icon. It might look like a rectangle or another shape depending on your last selection. From the list that appears, choose the QR code tool. If you don't see it in the list, no worries. Go to the View menu, choose Customize Tools, and enable QR code tool so it's available alongside your other shape tools. Now draw the code. Click and drag on the canvas to place it at the size you need. Affinity creates a QR code as a shape layer, so it remains crisp and scalable. If the size isn't perfect, use the Move tool to resize or reposition it after you place it. The shape will stay perfectly square and sharp. With the QR code selected, look up to the Context toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see a data field. Click in that field and enter what you want the code to contain. You can type or paste a URL, plain text, contact information, or Wi-Fi credentials, depending on what you need to share. As you edit the data, the code updates instantly, so you can confirm it looks correct before moving on. You can also refine the appearance while the shape is selected. Adjust the fill color to better match your design, but be sure to keep strong contrast with the background for easy scanning. Dark code on a light background is a safe choice. Leave a clean margin of empty space around the code so scanners can lock on quickly, and avoid stretching or skewing it. Scale uniformly to keep it readable. Because it's a live shape, you can come back at any time, select the QR code, and change the data or styling without rebuilding it from scratch. Place it where it reads clearly in your layout, and ensure it's large enough to be scanned in its final context. That's all you need to generate a QR code in Affinity Photo using the built-in tool. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, scannable code that fits your design perfectly.